it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are looking for the perfect accessory for outdoor adventures, then you're going to love this water bottle bag from Lexiyat.
If you're tired of juggling your water bottle, your phone, and your wallet when you're on the move, you need to get this bag because it is perfect. It is insulated and designed to hold up to a 40-ounce bottle, and it has a secure drawstring closure, so it is going to keep that bottle nice and snug and spill-free, while the insulated compartment keeps it nice and cold. It has very generous side pockets that can hold all of your accoutrement as well as RFID card slots and the large front zip pocket that fits a phone perfectly. It has great water resistant fabric, and this adjustable strap makes it so comfortable to carry around all day.
Whether you use this for your outdoor adventures or just as your everyday grab and go, you're going to want to get one of these water bottle bags. I think it's perfect, and that's my point of view.